If you're gonna condition it, which I recommend, you can use a couple different things. I used the product from PVG again that I diluted. I think the bottle said like 3-to-1 maybe. If you get one of these 3M pads, the finest one is the white one, which is just for cleaning. The next one down is still for scrubbing. It's this gray one. You can get these at wood supply stores for polishing wood. You can also get them at your big box stores. But take a little bit and just spray it on there. And then just work one area, something that you can control. Let that sit for a little while, and then instead of just sheeting water over it, you can get a wet rag and wipe it off. You're going to want to do this to the whole airframe, any surface. See the results. It makes it a much more consistent surface. You can even feel it. It gets all this dirt out of it, and it's just if you were going to paint, you would do something like Aladine after this, after the conditioner, and then go ahead and paint. But for this, since we're going to polish, we're going to keep going with the prep. Work it on. Let it sit for a minute or two. Spray some water on a rag. Make sure you get it all off. The aluminum conditioner is an acid-based product, so you want to take the safety precautions to protect eyes and skin and anything else. It's also known as a brightener. It serves to deep clean the surface and remove any contaminants from the alloy. You should have a surface that feels and looks smooth afterwards. The directions say to sheet water over the surface to remove it. I don't do this because it can leave white streaks. That's why I used a rag with distilled water. It's much more controlled. Okay, conditioning. All this stuff has been conditioned. It's diluted conditioner in the bottle. Spray it on the gray 3M pad that won't scratch the aluminum. Scrub it in, leave it on for a minute or two. Use one rag to wipe that off. Then distilled water in the other bottle. Spray that on a rag and wipe the conditioner off. Then you should have a uniform surface.